So the first step is to put the data into the computer. The computer will calculate it and then transmit it to the engraving machine. So as you can see, this machine is automatic and it can ensure accuracy, grooving and drilling, but special engraving machine ensure efficiency. The traditional method is to measure and groove manually, while we use the latest CNC technology to do it. There are two ways to assemble. One is to fix the connection with the prebuilt part on the main structure by welding. We use the self-tapping screws fixed with a connection iron by drilling holes in the main structure. Use rivet or bolts to fix the aluminum panel finish on the skeleton piece by piece. Note that after the first panel is positioned, the later panels should be on the same level with the first one. The left, right, and top should be aligned with the same thing. If you want to get more information, please visit our website or send an email to us.